Desyembre pa mo magumpisado ng papaslag den kaya katamong kabalen, den karelang miyaliwang dekorasyong pamasko. Kete syudad San Fernando bidala ring kislap-kislap paparol. Manibat kareng mga lati o kasaktuan sukad, ang ganang kareng mga ragol. Banwang 1908, inyang megong pisaya ang Ligligang Parul, at manibat kanita, banwa-banwa na ining magaganap at kabang lulwat, lakosya pa ining maging bongga. Mitok ng muing Ligligang Parul inyang 1970s, king panahon na ning martial law. At kay bat nanita balabalaos na yung tulang daralara ring mga ragulat mga santing aparulos tong Disyembre, king Giant Lantern Festival o GLF. Bista man na tune Maigit metong siglung Ligligang Parul, balaos pa murin ka nung pa mag-innovate agagawa na ni syudad at ning Giant Lantern Foundation bang lakwasya pa ining sumantieng.
We've been able to make lantern making a household name. We've been able to make it something for which Pampanga or San Fernando is known for. We've been able to establish ourselves as Christmas capital of the Philippines. But the challenge also is for us to keep on innovating and ensuring that the quality of the lanterns that we make in San Fernando are unparalleled. Ibig sabihin, pagdating sa quality, yun yung magiging batayan ng pag-usbong ng industriya ng parol at yun yung pagkakakilanlan niya na maganda, matibay at maganda ang pagkakagawa ng mga parol sa San Fernando.
Samantala, bayang ma-institutionalizing Giant Lantern Festival, minunikala ng GLF 2023 Executive Committee Chairperson at CLTV36 President and General Manager Sonia P. Soto king lokalak panibalaan ang gawang ordinansa para Kenya.
As chair of this year's EXECOM, I proposed by way of a resolution the passing of a city ordinance institutionalizing the GLF. Kasi there is no city ordinance. There is no city ordinance. Can you imagine? This is more than 100 years of tradition without a city ordinance. So I propose that, and I also propose taking initiative or steps to work with people in Congress to come up with a Republic Act naman to institution. Because do you know that I think it's San Jose del Monte, they have for a very short, parang short history ng festival nila na wala pang 20 years. Meron silang Republic Act, ito wala pa. So, yun yung isang ko.
Agpang naman kang City of San Fernando Mayor Vilma Caluwag, kikilalanan din ang Giant Lantern Festival kimiyaliwang lugar.
Talagang tanggap nila kaya nga dumadayo yung iba, yung mga parol natin ang binibili nila dahil dekalibre talaga at matitibay.
Samantala, marapat siya yung Giant Lantern Festival mag-umpisa December 16 hanggang January 1, 2024. May daw niya keng Robinson Summers Pampanga king December 16 ang mismong competition at ayal ben niya naman ining live keng CLTV36. Ako, ingkya kayong talusuyo, Liana Canilaw, ating pusong makabalin.